Welcome to Mortimer's new cooking show. This is my friend.
Hello, I'm Victoria.
And today we are making omelet.
Mwah.
Now we're going to crack the egg. Victoria, do you want to go first or should I?
You go first. I'd like to learn from your skills.
Okay. Here it goes.
Oh, okay. So I just do crack the egg. All right.
See, it's that simple, Victoria.
Pretty easy.
Now, make sure the shell doesn't go in to the egg, because that could be dangerous.
Oh, interesting. Dangerous. Okay.
Wait.
There we go. That's going to be tasty. Yum. A little extra protein.
Get to the commercial break now. She's going to ruin the omelet. She's going to ruin the show.
Do you want to spice up your cooking? Well, try special sauce. It's available on the black market today.
And we're back from break. I'm sorry, folks. That is clearly not how you put eggs in. So we're going to use this sifter.
Okay. So you don't normally put the shells in with the eggs, is what you're telling me?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, this will work out perfectly, I'm sure. That looks delicious.
It's not really sifting.
Well, I'll shake it up a little bit. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's get to the spices, huh, Mortimer?
Yeah. Sure. Should we try this one?
Sure. And what's this?
This is some pepper blend.
Okay, yum.
Makes a nice little kick.
All right. Ooh, yum. What about pumpkin pie spice?
It doesn't really fit, Victoria. You see,
I love it. I love it. And
we gotta go with this. The turmeric.
oh yes, healthy and delicious at the same time. Ooh, yum. This is looking good. You get a shot of that?
Victoria,
Okay,
you're gonna spill it.
Okay. What about, can you add this? I call it my special sauce.
Okay.
Do it. Put it in.
I don't know about this, Victoria.
It's really good. It's from my grandmother.
All right.
She loves it from the old country.
Keep it a secret.
All right. Yum. Yum.
It's not coming out, Victoria.
Well, you gotta pat it a little bit. Come on, get out. Maybe put a little mustard on it. This might be old sauce.
Okay, well, I think we're good for now.
All right, let's mix it up after the break. See you on the other side.
Here's my mom's cookies, made with fresh chocolate chips and all the good butter.
Hi everybody, we're back at the Mortimer Cooking Show, and now it's time to add cheese.
Yes.
Fromage. Yum.
All right, so
I think I know how to do this. Do you just put the whole cube in there?
No. You have to kind of slice up. See, Victoria, everything you're messing up right now.
Well, everything? I think maybe a couple of things, but so you put in a little cheese.
Like this. See, here you go. Boop.
Oh, okay.
A little more cheese.
Maybe a little more special sauce. Okay.
Here's a little more cheese.
All right. Let's mix it up.
Wait, we need a little more, Victoria.
You like a lot of cheese.
Yes,
Mortimer.
I do.
Okay. That looks fantastic. Oh, go ahead and eat it. Why not? All right. Should we just whisk it up?
No, this is what I do. See,
Okay.
we don't whisk, we shake.
Oh, that's a special Mortimer technique. Time to cook it.
Now it's time to cook.
Yum.
The best part of the show. All right. So first, we are going to pour this in.
Ooh, to hot skillet. Careful, it's hot.
Yeah, Victoria. It's not too hot. I'm not too. Oh, we forgot the cheese.
Oh, get that cheese in there. That shake method really works for you. Okay, then I like to cook it at a very low temperature for about 15 seconds.
That's foodborne illness.
Oh, okay. How do you cook it?
See, I'm gonna do, wait. It's not going. Let's see, I like to do high, very high.
Okay.
And for 100 minutes.
100 minutes?
Yeah, you gotta cook the hell out of it. You gotta just cook and cook and cook.
No foodborne
Then
illnesses.
you can't get foodborne illness. So why don't we cook it for 100 minutes and we'll be back right after this break.
Are you tired of your kids always asking to hold your bricks?
Oh,
Mom, can you hold my brick?
I'm so tired of holding your bricks.
The Brickamaster 400 holds all your bricks.
All right, we're using the spatula here.
So it's been about 45 minutes so far.
Yeah, still about, halfway there.
Halfway there. Gonna be good.
All right, now it's sizzling, ready to be served. It's serving time.
I usually eat right out of the pan.
That's not how you do it. You see, you'll burn your mouth.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, viewers, you'll burn your mouth. So never eat it like this, okay? Don't do that. So what I usually do is I give the first bite to my dog.
Oh, okay. Let's do it.
All right. Here's the tree. Here's the food. The first bite goes to the honorary dog. Here you go, Bunny.
He likes it.
He sure does. Dog, are you okay? Are you okay, Leo? You okay? Oh. He looks a little sick. Oh, I think it's that one ingredient, that one egg that darn Victoria gave me. All right, now we're gonna take a commercial break. Whew, feels good to be off air, Victoria. She never wants to do what I want, and some of these, some of the things she puts, the ingredients, it's just, and my dog, he's getting sick. I'm gonna inspect her back, because I feel like that one sauce, the secret sauce, I think there's something in there. Ah, here it is. Organically grown, no preservatives. Oh, that's not terrible. Oh, very poisonous ingredient. Genetically modified organism. Simple Truth organic products does not permit the use of ingredients made with GMOs. Oh no, there's GMOs in this. And the onion powder is poisonous.
Well, we're back from break, and don't you want to try a bite of this, Mortimer? Come on.
Sure, my dog really liked it.
Yeah. Eat it.
Oh, that is good. That is good stuff.
Oh.
See, Victoria, why don't you try the egg?
No, I will never eat that. Are you okay?
You tried to poison me. You tried to poison me. I went into your purse. I searched. I'm out of here. Commercial break. All right, sorry everybody. Just Victoria, turns out she was a criminal. Yeah, she tried to poison me and my dog. And she's been selling these products on the black market. And now that we've caught her, our show is going to be back on. So our show is doing great. I hope you guys all enjoyed this very interesting episode. And next week it'll be John Olson joining the show. He's a celebrity from Los Angeles, and he's pretty good at cooking. I hope he doesn't do what Victoria did and just does everything, just does everything different and bah. So we'll see ya. All right, now we're going to crack the egg.
I love a good egg. So healthy for you.
Takes a little trying.
Yeah. Okay. This is gonna be.
All right, people. Now it's your turn, Victoria.
Okay, all right. Let me straighten my apron here.
Oh.
I can go in there.
Yeah.
All right. So here's what I saw you do. You crack it.
What?
And
What
then,
are you doing, Victoria?
well, I like the shells inside.
Oh no.
This is gonna be good. Okay.
You see, Victoria, this isn't how you cook. Let's cut to the commercial break now.
Okay. Perfect. That's great.